Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the numerous benefits of Manuka honey and how you can use it to improve your overall health and wellness. First, let's talk about its wound healing properties. Manuka honey has unique antibacterial properties that make it an excellent choice for treating wounds, cuts, and burns. To use it for wound healing, simply apply a small amount of honey directly to the affected area and cover with a bandage. This will help to reduce inflammation, prevent infections, and promote healing. Next, let's talk about how it can help with acne. Manuka honey is a natural antiseptic and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective treatment for acne-prone skin. To use it for acne, apply a thin layer of honey to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You can use it once or twice a week as needed. Now, let's talk about how it can help with hair health. Manuka honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to retain moisture in the hair and scalp. To use it for hair health, mix a tablespoon of honey with a tablespoon of your favorite conditioner. Apply to damp hair and massage into your scalp for a few minutes. Then rinse it out. You can use it once a week for best results. And that's just the beginning. Manuka honey has a lot of other health benefits as well. Here are a few of the most notable ones. Boosting immune system. To use Manuka honey for immune system support, add a teaspoon of honey to your tea, yogurt, or oatmeal in the morning. Treating gastrointestinal issues. To use Manuka honey for digestive issues, add a teaspoon of honey to a glass of warm water and drink it before meals. Improving oral health. To use Manuka honey for oral health, add a teaspoon of honey to warm water and use it as a mouth rinse or gargle several times a day. Relieving sore throats. To use Manuka honey for sore throat relief, add a teaspoon of honey to warm tea or warm water and drink it several times a day. Managing diabetes. To use Manuka honey for managing diabetes, add a teaspoon of honey to your tea, yogurt, or oatmeal in the morning. These are just a few examples of how to use Manuka honey for various health benefits. It's important to note that while research supports these benefits, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of Manuka honey on our health. So, there you have it. Manuka honey is a versatile and natural solution for a variety of health issues and can be a great addition to your wellness routine. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you have any other questions or would like to share your experiences with Manuka honey, please leave a comment below.